Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Harris Tech Pivot Channel. I'm Nikita Harris, and today we're just diving into a topic that many of you have been curious about, and that's the future of tech jobs in the era of AI. Dun, dun, dun. So I took a little deep dive, and we will be highlighting some of the AI proof As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, some tech jobs are undergoing some transformation. But fear not, in today's video, we're going to explore some tech jobs that are likely to remain in high demand, offering you insights on how to future proof your career. First on our list is the AI machine learning engineer. Okay, so as AI grows, so does the demand for experts who design and, maintain these intelligent systems. So if you're passionate about shaping the future of AI, this role might be the perfect fit for you. But what about those who have been loving to decipher data? Okay, let's talk about it. Okay, next up we have data scientists and analysts. Rejoice! Your skills in interpreting results, formulating hypotheses, and providing valuable insights are really irreplaceable. Even in the age of AI, the human touch in data analytics is more critical than ever, I think. So there you go. Let's delve into the world of cybersecurity. As tech evolves, so does cybersecurity threats. So, if you're getting into cybersecurity analysts and expert, that realm, um, that's going to play a crucial role in safeguarding our digital world. So that's not going anywhere. Your expertise is indispensable in the fight against cyber threats. Hey, just a quick interruption. Just want to let you know that we were Course Careers affiliates. If you follow this link, you can get $50 off of the Course Careers classes. They have everything from a tech sales certificate to HR certificate to UX UI certificate to IT, and they've even uploaded two or three more relevant tech positions that you can get certified in and break into tech right away. So if you are enjoying this video, if you know someone who's ready to break into tech and wants the easiest way to start working remote, starting getting entry level pay of 60K a year and upward, all the way to health benefits and paid time off and all these different things that come with the tech industry starting day one. Get them to this link and get involved in this tech boot camp. So here we are at Tech Sales, what me and my husband are in. And as artificial intelligence continues to shape the tech landscape, you might be wondering about the outlook for tech sales roles, especially when all you hear are here left and right in the tech space, especially dealing with course careers and people who got into it are in tech sales. But while AI can automate certain aspects, the human touch in sales I think remains irreplaceable. I mean, your ability to build relationships, understand client needs, offer tailored solutions is more valuable than ever. Some jobs in tech sales are SDR, BDR roles, which is sales development representative, business development representatives. They're interchangeable when you look at your job postings. Account executive, account manager, sales engineer, personalized customer experience or customer success, and tech sales strategist, just to name a few of them. Okay, so let's talk about what is the cloud space. So, cloud computing specialists, I think, are in high demand as businesses migrate to the cloud, right? So, your skills in designing, implementing, and managing cloud infrastructure are really paving the way for the future of tech. So that's that. Let's not forget about the heartbeat of tech, which is software development. So, we're going to end here with software developers and engineers. Your creativity, problem solving skills, understanding of user needs are irreplaceable. And AI may automate that, but it's the human touch that really creates the innovative solutions. So, I think in the future, we're going to really just be seeing a merging of the human and AI working together in terms of making things faster, maybe making data a little more accurate and collecting those different resources faster. But I don't think these jobs are going to be fully replaced. Hey, so that's it. That's all I got. That's all she wrote. If you want to hear more, just leave in the comments other videos that you want us to do. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and bell notification button. Bless up.